What's going on, everybody? It's Cool Hat Luke here, and we're back with another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing the Spring Friends Culturefly box. This one specifically is based off Season 1, so it's going to be a bunch of stuff from Season 1, I'm guessing. If you would like to get your own Friends box, I think they have started taking subscriptions for the summer box. So if you want to check that out, be sure to check out their website, as well as they have like 11 different boxes. If you saw my office unboxing, they have that one as well. And I'm going to be definitely getting that one again. Probably also going to get the summer one for this as well. So yeah, that's about it for the intro. Let's get started into this and see what we have. That's what's in it there. See? Yeah. So I can tell this is a spoiler, so we're gonna set that aside. Okay. I'm already excited about this first thing. So if you remember from the first season, they went to that hockey game, the New York Rangers game. So this is that jersey that Joey was wearing. It does look a bit big, so I'm going to put it on real quick to see how it fits. Yeah, it's a bit big, but it's fine. It's supposed to be. Hockey jerseys are supposed to fit a little bit bigger, so yeah, I like that. I love hockey. Ugh. That was an adventure. So, off to a good start with that. Set that aside. Okay, what's next? So we got a Marcel plush. I'm not going to take it out of the bag because I'll probably give this to someone else. I don't really have a need for plushes, really. So. But, all the same, if you like Friends, very cool. What is in this little box? Okay, yeah. So it's a pin. I know what it's from. Obviously, it's that pin that Ross gave Rachel at the end of season 1. What it is, I don't know. I just know it's a pin. But cool. Set that aside. And we got a soda can travel cup. Unfortunately, it is pink, so I will not again be using this, but I know someone else will use it, so but there's that. Good quality, nothing wrong with the item itself. It's pink. Okay. Next, we got sticky notes, but they're of Phoebe's guitar. It's an interesting way to make sticky notes. Okay. Only 2 other things. So we got a notebook. Welcome to the real world. It sucks. You're gonna love it. The quote that Monica told Rachel at the beginning when she got a job or whatever. So And then the final item is a poker set. Chips and playing cards. Cut that open. Oh, I just realized. So, the number 94, it was 1994 when the show came out. Duh. I feel stupid. So the chips have the year, the logo, and then just that same quote. So cool. And then playing cards. See what these look like. Get the wrapping off. Okay. Oh no, I feel like we're gonna like ruin the box. Okay, got it. Okay. So the Jokers are that armadillo that Ross dressed up as. Let's see. First, I'm going to see if they're okay. So, just to kind of show you what the kings, jacks, and queen look like. All the kings look like that. The queens and the jacks. So, those are funny. I like those. Cool. And then, you know, back, just pretty standard. So, alright, well, that is everything that was in the box. I gotta say, I think I like the Office box a lot better. Just based off of seeing everything. But let me go through everything one by one. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we'll just do this one out of 7, I guess. Cause yeah, it's more than 5 items, so yeah, we'll just go with 7. So, the start with the plush. Again, it's a plush. I don't want to do. It's a plush. It's very pretty accurate. It's not a bad plush, but it's a plush. So I'll give it a half point. Seems fair. The pin, it has very nice detail on it. It came in a nice thing, so I'll give it a 0.75 for that. The soda can bottle, it's good. I probably would give it a full point if it wasn't pink, but it's pink. So I'm going to give it 0.75 because It's good, but I'm not going to use it. I'll probably give it to someone else, but it's good. So, um, notebook. It's a notebook. It's another one. Notebook. 0.5. Sticky notes. They're sticky notes. 0.5. The poker set, full point, because that thing is just cool. I don't have a poker set, so there you go. And then the jersey, full point, easy. A hockey guy. I love hockey. Easy. So, that makes this a total of 1, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 5. Right? Yes, 5. Which, is not bad. It's pretty good, I'd say. I was hoping there'd be a couple more collectible stuff, but it's fine. It's the first one. There's 3 more this year, so not too worried about it. But yeah, overall, cool. It's the end of this unboxing video. I don't think I have another one for a little while. Depends on when I get the next Geek Fuel. And yeah, so we'll just see what happens when that gets here. So that's about it, guys. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite item from the box was, as well as your favorite character from Friends. Yeah, be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't, and see you later, guys. Thanks for watching.